I want that mug of yours to look as attractive as possible. I want you to look like the man, bro. So today, I'm gonna show you 6 facial hacks that, yes, will change how you look and make you look better. Let's hop into this. Number 1, simple. Breathe through your nose. Probably the most powerful tip in this entire list. See, most of us have become mouth breathers. What ends up happening is, because you're lazy and you breathe through your mouth, this side of your chin just kind of drops. And it creates this awkward, almost double chin. You don't want that. You want that chiseled face. So to do that, I want you to force your tongue against the roof of your mouth. This, by nature, is going to force you to start using your nose to breathe and automatically clench your jawline. Number 2, pull back on the sodium. You'd be surprised at just how much salt you consume on a daily basis through your snacks, your processed carbs, through all those guilty pleasures that you eat on a daily basis. That is packed with sodium. Salt naturally absorbs and retains water in the body. So when you're eating a lot of sodium, you'll feel and look bloated because you're retaining a lot of water. That's going to make your cheeks, your face, your whole definition look rounder. If you want to have that chiseled jawline, I want you to cut back on the salt intake. Number 3, grow out a beard. Bro, your beard it's a secret weapon for any man. Yo, even if you're bald, you put on a beard, automatically you're more attractive. A beard is a legit superpower, so even if you can't grow one, grow one. Like, grow it out, bro. Because see, here's the thing. Once you have a beard, it adds this clear distinction between your jaw and your neckline. And that's what gives you that insane amount of structure, which makes your face look better. And like I said, I couldn't grow a beard, so I forced it. I used to use this product called minoxidil, which works, but I don't recommend just because it has a lot of side effects, right? It makes your face itchy, and again, you can do your own research. This is why, with He Grooming, I wanted to design a product that was natural and wouldn't give the same effects that I had to deal with just to grow a beard back when I was like 19, 20. So with He Grooming, we created our beard growth oil that has 3 natural oils that have been scientifically proven to help stimulate and grow your hair. On top of that, we combine it with our He Grooming Derma Roller. Again, do your research, but Derma Rollers scientifically proven to help stimulate hair growth. And here's the best part. With our beard oil, there are no side effects. Everything's natural oils and ingredients to help boost hair growth or make your already existing hair even thicker. And when you combine it with the Derma Roller, you're just doubling or tripling the effect of it because you're allowing the oil to really penetrate in the skin. Yo, if you guys want to force that hair growth, I'm going to have our beard growth kit linked down below, which comes with our beard oil and our Derma Roller together. But you know what? I'm going to do you a solid. In the next 24 hours, for the dudes that really want to grow a beard, I'm going to take 25% off. If you buy both of these together, and again, I don't know, I think we only have like 100 Derma Rollers left. Our Derma Rollers are in very low supply. We reorder those all the time because they fly. So there's not a lot of these. In the next 24 hours, you're going to get 25% off. We've never done a discount that big on these two because, bro, they sell like hotcakes, bro. This is one of our best sellers, and I'm selling it to you at 25% off. Today only, click the link down below. Like I said, this is not going to last, so if I were you, shoot. I would double up on the stock or buy one for your buddy because at 25% off, going now you really only have 23 hours and 50 minutes. It's going to fly, bro. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. Number 4, wear blue light blockers all the time. Bro, I love frames. I love frames to make your face look better. See this frame? It's so angular, right? It's that perfectly balanced structure. As soon as you throw it in your face, it makes your face look more angular. It makes it look more balanced, more proportional, more attractive. Not to mention you also look smarter. But the point is, boys, when it comes to frames, obviously you can't wear sunglasses indoors and at nighttime. So if you want that one frame that you can wear 24/7, use blue light blockers. They don't have prescription, but they do have functionality where it protects your eyes against the digital blue light while making you look better. Number 5, use vitamin C. I use vitamin C every morning in my skincare routine, and that's for one reason. See, when you're darker colored like I am, what ends up happening is that you can easily lead to hyperpigmentation, which means there's going to be certain areas of your skin where the melanin overproduces, so now you have these dark spots all over. We don't want that, bro. We want that perfectly looking skin, one even skin tone color, that rich color, and to do that, vitamin C helps. See, the antioxidants in vitamin C help fight free radicals and also help regulate the melanin production on your skin to make sure that it's even across your entire skin and it looks flawless. And finally, number 6, probably the most important one, sleep. Your bags under your eyes, the wrinkles on your face, and just how droopy and saggy your skin will look are all affected by your lack of sleep. If all you do is party and drink and you're not treating your body right to help recuperate from all the pain you put it through, you're always gonna look busted. Sleeping is the key to your beauty, bro. I'm gonna call you Sleeping Beauty. That's it for your boy. See you next time.